Today we're going to take a look under the microscope at a plant many of us know from our own windowsills. It's a cactus that, contrary to stereotypes, isn't associated with the desert but with winter and the holiday season. The Christmas cactus, or Schlumbergera. Let's see what it looks like under the microscope. Schlumbergera naturally comes from South America, where it grows as an epiphyte, living on other plants and using them for support. The Christmas cactus has thick, fleshy stems where it stores water. These stems are made up of numerous flattened segments. At their tips, you can see tiny hairs and small spines, as well as flowers. We'll start with fresh petals. We cut them into smaller pieces, place them on a slide, and observe them under the microscope. They look like a mosaic made of pink, irregularly shaped cells, almost like puzzle pieces. Their curved cell walls allow them to fit tightly together. The pink color comes from pigments inside the cells. Depending on the variety, the Christmas cactus can bloom in white, orange, or different shades of pink. When we compare this image to a dried petal, the difference is clear. The cells lose turgor, collapse, and shrink, making the tissue thinner and more transparent. In these samples, elongated structures, sometimes with spiral thickenings, become more visible. These are elements of the vascular bundles. Next, we can take a closer look at the stamens and pollen. In transmitted light, pollen grains appear as tiny, usually round or slightly oval structures. When we switch to polarized light, the pollen grains produce bright, high-contrast effects against a dark background. Now it's time for the spines along the edges of the segments. As a cactus, the Christmas cactus doesn't have the large, classic thorns typical of desert species. Instead, along the segment margins, there are areoles, structures characteristic of cacti, from which small hairs and spines can grow. Finally, we cut through a fleshy stem segment. Individual cells become visible, and at higher magnification, we can see numerous chloroplasts responsible for photosynthesis. Under the microscope, the Christmas cactus reveals a fascinating world of details and adaptations. If you'd like to learn more about chloroplasts, I invite you to watch my video dedicated to that topic.